Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit, oh my god. Don't tell me when you gonna do it. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my god. Oh shit. I feel like I'm floating. Is that normal? Is that normal? Oh my god. That do feel good. Okay. Oh my god. What was I scared for? Was it nothing? I mean, it was something. Oh my god. I feel like I'm floating. I see circles. Is that normal? I feel like I'm high or something. Oh my god. Look, that's the infamous stand. Okay. Let me relax. Okay. What the heck? Oh, that feel good. Like, I feel loose. Ah! Oh my god. Oh. Now I see why people be laughing. Oh my god. I don't know, I feel something in my arms. Oh. Why am I seeing circles? This feels really good. Oh. Oh my god, look, my neck. Remember? I can do it now.
You remember?
Yes, I can do it now. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my god. It's like some stuff you try to do at home, but you just can't quite get that crack right. Oh. Whoa. Oh.
Take a deep breath in and out.
You just stopped the woman. Oh my god. The hell? Why didn't they come here? Oh my god, I needed that. Oh. I got to laughing. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's all I can say. I'm coming back. I'll be back. I feel like a toddler, just giggling. Oh my god. I feel so loose. Like, it just feels good. Just that. Like, that's all I can say. Oh. What is so funny? Why is it funny?
Yes.
Oh my god. That felt great too. It was like a stretch that you just can't quite get. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I needed that side. Oh. Like, it don't hurt. It feels like a good pain. If that makes sense. Oh. Yes, I needed that. It's like I feel all the tension leaving.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God, I heard all of that. Oh my God. I heard everything. Like, like, I don't know what it sounds like. I heard everything. Oh, that was a lot of tension right there. Ooh, that was something serious. Ooh.